church there, but it's a bit overcast. I think Malverns have had some rain, and it is raining there now, as we can see. Just taking a nice little stroll. So me and Dad and the lad are going for a walk tomorrow. Again, the Malvern Hills. Malvern or Malvern, depending on whereabouts you're from. So 2 weeks ago we took his young son Theo to Malvern end to end, and he absolutely slayed it. And it was freezing, snowing. We did a bit of snow fights and sledging almost on our backpacks. So tomorrow we're going to attempt to do the end to end, back again, but in the other direction that I've just pointed. So it should be, it's like 9 miles, and then obviously 9 plus 9 is 18, isn't it? So it's good training for our coast to coast walk. I'm going to try with pretty much the full pack of what I want to be carrying on the coast to coast walk. The Wainwright's coast to coast walk, so that should be all fun and games. Breeding a hill. Excellent. Let's get back to the public footpath and get back to the lodge and have some beverages. What do you say? Same, brother. How you doing? Morning.
Hip just cracked.
They don't lie, you know, the hips. What's up, people? I'm here with Charlie Shelton again. We're a man down though. Theo's been
He's been relegated.
He's been relegated. He was too fast, he was too quick, he was too furious. So we've had to say, boy, get your own YouTube channel and go off solo. So he's done it. He said, screw you, old uns. So we're back again. We're at Chase Hill right now. We're going to go end to end to end to end to end. It's 18 miles, so we've got to get amongst it. Charlie Shelton, we've got to get amongst it.
Right.
Let's do this. Here we are again, 2 weeks on, no snow. Going there and then back again. Let's get amongst it. Met some friends. So last time we didn't realise that this is actually a cubby hole. So we're just going to get some quick rehydration, and then we're going to get on the case again.
Oh, there's my hat and gloves. I'm already in here.
Say that again, Chief.
Right.
Check that out. Backpack cam. Charlie Shelton!
Looking all majestic.
Majestic, like a stallion that he is. British camp again, we've got the reservoir behind us. Just down there a ways a piece, you'll see the reservoir, but you can't on the GoPro because it's just an action camera for all the action. So we must soldier on. This is a quarter of the way. Let's crack on. See how the microphone holds up against this? It's just swaying a little bit. Swaying a bit, so we'll see. Okay, we will go later on. British camp, ladies and gentlemen. We've come a different route down, and we're just on the hill where we looked upon 2 weeks ago. So now we're just going to have a sandwich on a lovely bench. Charlie Shelton. Sound effects because I'm an idiot, and I'm sitting on a hole in a bench.
Where would you rather be?
So we're just going to get some grub, quick bit of water, then we're going to carry on because we've got a lot to do, not a lot of time to do it in. Oh, recording! How we doing, guys and girls? We're having a sit down, we're at the end, the first end. We're at the first end of it, almost, there's no field there, we're not going to bother with it, we'll slay there. We're on Sugarloaf. We're just going to have a minute, take our lug boots off. Moist.
Took him in the Bridgedales.
Houston, we have a problem, I can't get my feet off. Oh, sheep poo. Sheep graze along here in panda cows. But, you know, oh, that's phenomenal. You got your socky walks off as well. Oh, look at that, beautiful.
I can't even see the genius that's over there, though.
Swing it in. Swing in the genius. Here we go. Bridgedale, where you at?
Bare feet on the grass, that is something to behold.
That's living. You ain't lived until you've done that, kids. Our kids. Woohoo! Fresh on today. Lenore, come at me. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh. Hey!
We've got to stop taking the piss out of all these people wanting sponsorships.
Other soft fabric conditioners are available. So you don't want to look at me and Charlie. You want to have a look at that.
Airing out the Bridgedales, look at that.
Airing out the Bridgedales. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Sugarloaf.
Oh, my feet are cold.
Oh, this is bloody lovely. You know in Die Hard when he's making fists with his feet?
Yes, after the flight.
After the flight. Oh shit. Dug my toes in a bit too far and struck oil.
He's a, what would you call it? Shell.
Shell of a man.
No, Shell Oil, okay? Oil, your oil company? Lovely over there. Don't look real, does it, that woodland area? It's a bit chilly now. No beer yet. We're saving that for if we ever get home. Oh, right, gonna do some stretches, then get ready for the return leg, eh? What do you reckon, Charlie? Sugarloafs, you have been beautiful.
I'm a fan of the loaf.
Fan of the Sugarloaf. Simba. Whatever the light touches is ours. We've still got a bit to go, but you know, this is the only pub that we're going to walk by. So we are at the Malvern Hills Hotel and Restaurante. We've still got a ways a piece to go. This is at British Camp, so we've still got a ways a piece to go. Charlie Shelton, cheers. I'm a bit of a gulper. That's what they call me, and I'm a coma warmer as well. Just taking your shoes off.
It's dead smooth.
It's beautiful, that is. Amber nectar. It's not strong, is it? What? On video. Time lapse it. Hey. Oh yeah, beer. Searching. Found. Oh, hello.
He appears.
Hello, Charlie Shelton Photography. Myth, the man and legend. We're having a quick swift pint. We're at British Camp. We've still got
16 miles.
a few miles to go still. Hello. So, what's that? It's a bit froth, yeah. Got a few miles to go. But we've done the end to end and what? Half? End and a half. So, let's wave at Philip. Philip, hello. What are you up to, buddy? What's everyone's been doing with their Sundays? Tell me the scores and all that. Caroline's watching. Caroline's watching. Hello, Caroline. Just a bit of scenery for you. So Charlie's got a new toy. I've got beer. Fabulous. Hey, that looks good, that does, look, guys. What do you reckon? GoPro, come at us. Again, can have more, and I've got 7 of them. Then 35,000 batteries. Right, guys. Hello, Caroline. Hello. There's Danny Ferris. Hello, Danny Ferris. Hello, Caroline. Hello, Nick Pegg. Let's wave at everybody. Been too savage. Hope you've had a great Sunday. We're going to continue on shortly. This pint's not going to last long. We can only spare time for one pint. Unless we ring a taxi. No, we have to soldier on. So, with that, I will love you and leave you, and see you later. Post. Oh, phone's died. Literally just before posting it. It's because I had my camera on in my pocket for 45 minutes. It's funny, isn't it? I can't open the camera with my fingers, yet my thigh is perfectly fine.
Yeah, your thigh. It's like a Swiss Army knife. Of a thigh. It's like a Gerber.
It was an epic stack though, wasn't it? Was it a stack or more of a slide?
Well, you turfed up a load of mud like a bulldozer. So.
Yeah. And I went against the grain. And of course I went against the odds. And that's what a bulldozer does. A bulldozer goes against the grain. And a bulldozer goes against the odds. Head first. Just like me and you, mate. We go against the grain and we're going against the odds.
This is...
We just have a rough hymn sheet of chaos.
It just ended in tears.
Oh, 5:30.
And then we've literally got that to do, and then I've got to unravel the map, and then there's another that to
There's
do.
another 3 pages.
We've got to go there, where that grain is. There. See that? See it? See it? There. What do you say out of 10? Out of 5?
5. 2.5.
2.5?
3.
You can't just jump 0.5 of a point.
It was very enjoyable for what it was, but I think if it was up against some of the other big hitters, I think it would.
But it's a HPA. Do you know HPAs? Name me another Hereford Pale Ale.
I don't know any HPAs, but from all the other stuff I've
I
tried,
want my own Pale Ale.
TPA.
Sounds like an STD, doesn't it? most spiffing, and with that. So what we're saying, basically what we're saying, Charlie, is we've just completed the Malvern Hills end to end, and
To end.
to end again. So we've gone from the south to the north, from the north to the south, and it is roughly 18 miles. We've done a little bit of lower level stuff. We've done all of the ridges on the way up to the north. We've had some nice food. We've had we've had a beer, and now we're just signing off with another beer.
Another beverage.
Another beverage, just
Gotta
to
be
say
good.
cheers. It's been a nice long day.
Celebrating, because it's been a yomp, hasn't it? It's been quite tough, but you know, we've earned this. So.
We've earned this beer. So I'm just looking at the clock there.
That's good.
Just looking at the clock. We started walking about 10, didn't we? So
Yeah, quite a late start. Like, I wanted to get away earlier, but I've been.
what did you get up to? Yeah, so Charlie's been a busy boy on very, very little sleep, which is just a monumental character. He's a beast, really. So we've probably done. We did the first bit in about 4 hours, didn't we? With a stop
I would have
off
said
at
so, yeah.
British camp, and then 3.5 on the way back. So 7.5 to 8 hours walking, which is great. Great for getting the length of time in the legs. Obviously, the 18 miles is good in the legs, and we've got a few months now for the training. So we're on schedule.
Hopefully, we can keep this up as well. Like, if we do this, obviously not as long as today, because it's been a proper yomp. It's been
Right.
nearly 20 miles today, like
Right.
up and down proper terrain.
Up and down and up and down.
Yeah,
That's what
Malvern
people
Hills.
say about mountains. It's a beast.
Oh, you don't want to underestimate them, because they are epic. They're
And they
amazing.
keep leading into each other. So they're like Russian dolls, you know, in reverse. You start with the small ones, and then they're hidden by other ones and other ones, and then the North Hill is right at the end, and you're like, oh, that's still a beast, yeah. But today we've been sugarloafed.
Had a nice time on Sugarloaf, didn't we? We got aired the
Head
socks
to
out.
toes, as you see. So that's pretty much it. Wrapping it up. We're going to sink a beer or two, and crack on with the next mission in the next game. And let us know if you've got any tips for training routes, and if we should be doing more running, cardio, strength and conditioning, and stuff like that. Really, all good to learn and evolve as
Well, I think, I don't know,
explorers.
the only way to train for a long distance walk really is to
To do it.
walk. Yeah, there's not really much else to it.
Oh, hello, beer can.
Mm.
So with that, we will say thank you and goodbye.
Au revoir. Been a pleasure.
Au revoir. See you later. Hey! Hanging out with my best buddy, Charlie Shelton Photography.
Filming